Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to share YouTube link on Instagram story. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So as you can see, here's my YouTube video and I'm going to add this video link to my Instagram story. So for that, first of all we need to copy the video link. So tap on share and tap on copy link, and then open your Instagram and tap on this plus icon and select story, and I'm going to tapping on create. Tap on this sticker icon and select your link and paste here your YouTube video link here and tap on done. And here you can see my link has been added, and I'm tapping on send. I'm tapping on share, done. And here you can see my video link has been added here, and if I tap on this link, visit link, and my YouTube video will open up here. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.